Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Hyundai Tucson manual. Start with the clutch fully depressed and the gear lever in neutral, then turn the key to start the engine while checking gauges. Release the parking brake, hold the clutch, select first gear, and gently apply throttle while slowly releasing the clutch. Practice finding the bite point in a flat, open area until starts and stalls are controlled and smooth. Hold the clutch fully when shifting and time each change with a smooth throttle adjustment to avoid jerks. Listen to engine RPMs and shift up before redline for efficient acceleration. When slowing, release throttle, press clutch just before stalling, and select the appropriate lower gear to maintain control. Practice rev matching for seamless downshifts and keep your shifts deliberate, calm, and coordinated to engage the parking brake firmly and leave the vehicle in first gear when parked, especially on slopes. For hill starts, hold the handbrake, find the clutch bite, apply throttle, then release the handbrake while smoothly releasing the clutch to move forward without rollback. Practice on gentle slopes until you can coordinate smoothly. Always avoid prolonged clutch slipping to prevent excessive wear and heat, protecting your clutch and drivetrain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.